baby? Do you love me? Do you want me? Do your hands all on my body? No.
Yo guys, welcome to the YouTube channel guys. Welcome to this dance tutorial. My name is Teoluckzboom. I do dance tutorial and dance challenges for you guys. In case you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share to your friends guys. So we are doing this trending song by Victony, Slick. Yeah, this song has been trending. Baby, if you want me, in the money, honey's all on my body. Oh, love me. Oh baby, oh no, yeah, baby, you want me? Oh no, I need you on my body. Oh me, oh baby, oh baby, yeah. Sleep, sleep, sleep. So just an easy dance tutorial basically, guys. Let's dive right into the video. So first of all, this video is mirrored, and now the first step in this dance tutorial is oh no, baby. You want me? Honey. So you just want to move your hand right and left, so it's baby. If you want me, I think that. So it's like this. You should be following you side. So it's baby. You want me? You want me? Listen, guys. Side. Let's do. Now I'm counting to 12 times. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12. Yeah, basically you're just counting it up to 12 times. So let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, that's basically guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are seeing my hips are twigging. You have to make your hips go side and side. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, basically 12. So we're counting to 12. Let's go. Let's go to the next step. So after I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next we'll do so up, down. I think guys, so basically up. It takes your hand, take your hand upward like 5, 6, 7, go. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I get it. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Up, down, up, down. So you have to master this step first. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Up, down. So let's do everything up to this point so I can get the flow. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Up, down. I think it's so that you do it. Once you have count 11, 12, up, down. I guess in. So after that, let's do 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's doing open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. So basically 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Getting after I have done this, 1, 2. You do 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's do everything up to this point. So in case you want to subscribe to the channel, kindly subscribe down below, like this video, share to your friends and family guys, and comment the dance in the comment section. What do you think about this video? Let me know in the comment section guys. So let's dive into the video once more. From start. 5, 6, 7. Let's go, baby. Do you want me? You know me. You need on my body. Play a count for me. Once you get to 12, you do 1, 2, 1, 2. I think guys, so once you get to 12, do 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. Hope you get in guys. Hope you getting it. So once you get to 12, you do 1, 2, 1, 2. Then the next step is 1, 2. Let me do everything up to this point so I can get it. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this next step is just 1, 2. So you are taking your right legs forward, then your left hand to your side, something like this. Things cross like this. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Just like boom, open and close. So it's 1, 2, 1. Come on now. 2. Put your hands. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's basically 1, 2, 1, 2. So on the start we have 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I guess in guys. So now the last step is to rise. Once you have done 1, 2, next to do, turn your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just do it 6 times. Yeah, just do it 6 times. So end the dance tutorial. So end this dance. Let's go. You start. 5, 6, 7. Go, go. Turn your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, just do 6. I'm doing 8. Just do 6, guys. So turn your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's from the start to get out to this point. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 1, 2. Come on. 1, 2. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Basically, I just it, guys. I just it. You don't have to stretch yourself to get into that thing. You just have to just do it like this. So let me just start with the start one more thing. Then we'll get it. Let me start. Everybody, let's go. 5, 6, 7. Go, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Up, down. 1, 2, 1, 2. Turn your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Basically, that was the dance tutorial, guys. So in case you like this kind of content, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family, guys. And comment make sure you comment in the comment section what you want to do next. I'm gonna do it for you guys. Basically, yeah, I'm gonna do this for you guys. So let's see how it goes, guys. Don't forget to watch 2 videos over here. Slick by Victony. Do the dance tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.